what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So, guys, in this video, I'm talking about Yield Gulid Games Price Prediction. YGG token is in the right now situation that is the positive cryptocurrencies, and you can't believe that 600% the trading volume increase just in last 24 hours. 600% trading volume. So, guys, imagine the profit. 600% people investing in a yield games token just in last 24 hours, guys. So that's clear that profit is very high, guys. Anyways, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for a new videos notification, guys. If you have any questions about yield guild games price, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question in the upcoming new video, guys. So now, guys, right now price of yield coin is about 6.17 USD dollar. 6 USD dollar is the right now price of YGG token, guys. So if you want to buy, that's right now price. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes of YGG token right now, so 10.46% positive changes occur in a YGG token, guys. Right now situation, I'm talking about the right now situation, guys. That's the latest update which I show with all of you guys. Now, guys, let me show you the furthermore price statistic update of YGG token. Price changes is going positive, and you can see here, guys, 600.94% positive trading volume increase. 600% trading volume increase just in the last 24 hours. So that's really unbelievable jump. So, guys, if the people are investing in a YGG token, that's mean that it is a profitable. So I recommend for you, please buy now YGG token. And furthermore, if we talk about the price change, so 12.12% the price change is positive. Price is very low. I think that's not a huge amount if you want to buy, and if you want high profit, so I recommend for you to buy now. Anyways, guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, so please do your own research.